Welcome to DMP Training Center. I'm Aaron McGee. Today we're going to take a look at our CellCom Communicator series, which includes our DualCom, CellCom, and ICOM, and all the features you get when you're connecting those on the ECP bus of a Vista panel. The ECP connection is very simple. It's a 4-wire connection that goes from your communicator to the ECP bus of the Vista panel. So it's 4-wire, 2 for power, and 2 for data. The red and black for the power will land to your power terminals of your communicator, and then the yellow and green, or white and green for data, will connect to zone 4 of your communicator. So it's a very simple installation to get this set up. Once you've connected your communicator to the ECP bus of the Vista panel, there's a lot of features that you can now take advantage of. Some of those being user code management, zone status, zone bypassing. You get a full history list with user information, and of course you can arm and disarm the system from the virtual keypad. So let's go ahead and hop over to virtual keypad and take a look at these features. One great feature is the zone status. Being able to check in on your zone status remotely is always great. I'm going to tap zone status, and it's going to reach out to that Vista system and display all of my zones and their status. As you can see, all of these zones are in a good condition. As you can see in history, I will tap View All on my history, and you can see that all the arming and disarming messages include user information. That way you know who is controlling the system at what time. We can also arm and disarm the system straight from virtual keypad. I can arm it in the stay mode, and then I can disarm that system as well. You can also manage your user codes in virtual keypad. Tap the menu, select users, and this will display all your available users in your Vista system. To add, delete, or change a user, tap on the upper left-hand edit button, and you'll see Add, Edit, Delete. When a zone is faulted, you can also see that status. So let's tap Zone Status, and once that has retrieved that information, you'll notice that our front door is faulted. So let's go ahead and try to arm the system with a faulted zone. I'm going to tap Stay. It tells me that my front door is faulted and asks me if I would like to bypass that zone. I can bypass that by tapping Bypass, or I can stop the arming process by tapping Cancel. Let's go ahead and bypass that zone. As you can see in virtual keypad, there's a lot of features jam-packed in there. In addition to those features, you'll be able to take advantage of Z-Wave, because there is Z-Wave built onto the communicators. You can also add video, which includes video doorbells and secure comm cameras. And you also have custom actions that give you more flexibility in controlling your system. Takeovers have never been easier when using a CellCom Series Communicator. Thanks for watching, and thanks for your business.